Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the YouTube Lab of Everything. Today we will be doing Scratch and I will be showing you how to make an amazing scrolling background like this one. So if you don't know the basics of Scratch, I have made a video on how to do the basics of Scratch. It will be in the link in the description below, put it in the end screen, and also will be on the top right corner. Please don't forget to check them out. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so first we open a blank screen and we rename scrolling background. So we don't need the scratch cat. Goodbye. So we're gonna paint a new sprite and we're gonna take a rectangle. So this is gonna be the land. Making it bigger. Also, we don't need the outline, so no outline. Make it big. So this is the land where the person's gonna walk. So, and we need the sky. Before that, let's just change the color of the land to green, something dark. Come on. Let's change it to green. Yeah, that looks good. And now we duplicate it, make it bigger. Adjust it so that it fits perfectly with the other rectangle. And we make it in blue color. Yeah, that looks good. So this would be your background. So we need another background. So let's name this background 1 and let's duplicate this one. Before that, let's make sure that the person who's viewing knows that the background is moving. So let's add something like a tree. Let's add a tree. I'll change the color to a bit brown, I guess. Yes. And this doesn't look like a proper tree trunk, so let's fold it in a bit. Yeah, that looks much better. And let's add a circle and let's put it to green color. And let's also change the format a bit up everywhere. Yeah, that looks good. Let's group everything together. Now everything is grouped. Now we are going to duplicate this background. We're gonna go to costumes and we're gonna change. Instead of having trees here, let's have something like a bench or rocks. Yeah, rocks would do. So let's take that and yes, let's make it something like gray. Yeah, let's duplicate that and let's make another one of that, but make it smaller. So copy paste. Now we have a different rock and it's smaller. That looks good. Now we have two backgrounds which will be scrolling. So what we need to do now is simple. We need to make the background scrolling. I mean, that's why we're watching the video, right? So first we need this background 1 to stay at 0x and 0y. And we need this background, the second background. I'll change its color so you know which one's which. Change color by 25. Yeah, now you'll know which one is which. So we want this to be on the further side, and it needs to go one layer back. So we need to move it a bit back. So let's go to looks, go to back layer. Yeah. So now we go to background 1, and when green flag clicked, we want it to stay at 0 and 0. So now we want the background to move. So let's make it move 10 steps, minus 10 steps. So we needed to go more than that. So forever. Now it went to the end. Now we want the other background to follow as well. So let's stop. So now background 2, we needed to go to the furthest end it can go. So we're gonna take the move 10 steps and click forever. Take a forever block. Now it went to the furthest end it can go. Now we discard the blocks. Now when green flag clicked, we want it to stay in that position. Actually, X should be a 0. Now we want it to be in this position when green flag clicked. And we're going to take the same block again from BG1, move minus 10 steps. Now the background is moving, but now let's over here. It's white again, so we need the background to come back. So we're gonna go to background 1 and choose an if block. So if, and we take an operator block and we choose a smaller block. Next we go to motions and choose X position, and the X position would be whatever is over here. So if the X position is greater, no wait, not greater, sorry, the X position is smaller than 64. Oh wait, the previous block was correct. Sorry, 64. Then we wanted to again go to the furthest end. So the furthest end it can go is 465. So we're gonna choose go to positive 465, 0. So we're gonna give it to this one too. So and then we just put it in the forever block. And now okay. Guys, a small change in the code, and that is the previous block was correct. Sorry again. It's this block. Sorry. And 400 negative 465. And here as well, we need to change the block. This block was initially correct. Negative 465. And again, it's stopping because I think over here, instead of 465, let's try 464 in each place. Now, yes, see, now the background is scrolling. Now let's add a sprite. Let's choose a walking sprite, something like let's search walking. Okay, let's choose a bear because it's like, you know, forest. And now we want it to forever change its costume. So when green flag clicked, looks, next costume in a forever block. And don't forget to add a wait block. Make it wait for like some 0.1 1 seconds. Now that's perfect. Now look, it looks like the bear is actually walking, but it's in the same place in reality. So now that's how you can make a scrolling background in Scratch. So we can make so many games out of this. If you want a tutorial on how to make one of the games in this format, comment down below. Also remember to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube Lab of Everything. We'll be uploading videos about so many different kinds of topics, so make sure you subscribe. Over and out.